Space Explorers! I'm Lily, and this is my awesome co-pilot, Robo-Guide. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? We're about to blast off and explore our amazing solar system. Buckle up! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! We're leaving our beautiful blue and green home, planet Earth, and its friendly companion, the moon. Look how pretty it is from up here. First stop, the center of everything, the sun. Wow, it's so bright and golden. The sun is a giant star, and it gives all the planets heat and light. Say hi, Mr. Sun. Now, hold on tight. We're zipping over to the first planet. This little guy is Mercury. It's the smallest and fastest planet, always zooming around the sun. Right next door is Venus, covered in thick, mysterious yellow clouds. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. After Venus, we see our home, Earth, and then we get to the red planet, Mars. It's called the red planet because of its rusty, dusty surface. It even has polar ice caps, just like Earth. How cool is that? Whoa! Look at the size of that. We've reached the gas giants. This is Jupiter, the biggest planet of them all. See that giant swirl? That's the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. And next to it, look at those gorgeous rings. That must be Saturn. It's so elegant with its pale, beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Past Saturn, things get chilly. This is Uranus, the ice giant that spins on its side. It's like it's doing a cartwheel through space. And last but not least, we have the deep blue world of Neptune. It's super windy there, with some of the fastest winds in the solar system. What a wild ride! Phew, we made it! We visited the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's 8 planets. A fun way to remember them is, my very excellent mother just served us nachos. The universe is full of wonders, so keep looking up and stay curious. Thanks for exploring with us. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more amazing adventures. Bye for now.